What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another Trendy Butler unboxing. So I've got the May 2018 package here, so let's crack right into it and see what we have. Alright, so as you guys know, I have been reviewing Trendy Butler packages for a while now, and I do have to say that each one I feel has gotten progressively better. They do seem to really kind of hone in on your style as things evolve, so I'm excited to see what we have in here. Alright, so we have a blue button-down shirt here with a really cool looking pattern on it. They almost look like tiny little hourglasses, so I really like that. And then we have gray, what appears to be a pair of shorts. So let's take this off here and see exactly what these are. All right, so this is, oh, it's a short sleeve. It's a short sleeve button-down shirt. The brand on this is Civil Society. It says, let's see, designed in Los Angeles, California, USA. And it's navy and the style is called Waldo. So just looking at it, it looks like a fairly slim cut and it looks like it's gonna fit me quite nicely. I'm pretty excited about this because I don't have a whole lot of short sleeve button downs. So this will be something really nice that I can wear. Oops. This will be something really nice that I can wear like during the summer while I'm at work, or just, you know, if I want to go out somewhere and I want to look a little bit nicer than a t-shirt. So, you know, I'm happy to include some more short sleeve button downs in my wardrobe. And these are definitely shorts we have here. And again, these are from Civil Society. These look quite nice. Got a little leather detailing on the back with the brand name there. And actually, I like the inside too, like the waistband looks really nice. They are my size. And so they should also fit quite nicely. They don't look too long, they don't look too short. I like the color, it basically goes with everything. It'll go really nicely with this shirt. So let's try them on and see how everything looks. Alright guys, so as you can see, both the shirt and the shorts fit perfectly. The shorts are actually super comfortable. They're a kind of lightweight, stretchy material, so they'll be nice for things like playing golf too. The colors go very well together, but obviously they would also go very well with lots of other things in my wardrobe. So I think all in all, this is just another solid box from Trendy Butler this month. Alright guys, so that does it for this Trendy Butler unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please do make sure you stick around the channel. I have a shitload of hair product reviews coming up. I know I've been mentioning it like at the end of every video, but I'm like almost overwhelmed at the number of products that I'm testing and that I'm really excited to do reviews for. So if you haven't yet already, please do hit that subscribe button down there to make sure you keep up to date with all that content coming your way. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Come on.